Welcome to South Tampa's exclusive Westshore Yacht Club.
Nestled on a quiet, tree-lined street, this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2-car garage, 3-story townhome is the epitome of luxury living. This 24-hour, guard-gated waterfront community is highly sought after due to its impressive amenities, including a marina, a members-only bay club featuring 2 resort-style heated swimming pools overlooking the bay, a tiki bar, day spa, state-of-the-art fitness center, dog park, and more. Don't miss this opportunity to live a life of luxury, security, and convenience.
Call today for your private showing.